Okay, so today we are putting some car seats on the new car. So we've gone with Black Duck. Dion left the car seat choice up to me, which was probably a mistake. But anyway, I had a look at all the reviews online. I decided to go with the 4ELEMENTS because they are completely waterproof. They have a rubber backing on them so they don't slip, because I hate when seat covers, you know, are all over the chair all the time. It looks messy. And they're also machine washable. So I really wanted waterproof because I feel like if you're living out of the car, you know, you have a wet rainy day or whatever, you can't help the car getting wet. So
or you go up the beach.
Or you go up the beach, or all the things we'll be doing. So Black Duck, we're going to have a go at installing them. I've heard they're pretty easy, so I'm going to try without instructions. We'll see how that goes. But I did have a quick read, and there's a little tag on the inside. I'll see if I can show you. And it says, where is it? I did see it. Yeah, so if you look at the code, the ones that say PA are the passenger side. So, yeah, let's see how we go. Oh, hello.
How's it going?
Oh, getting there. So, I should say, these seat covers currently have a, depending on who you talk to, a 10 to 16 week wait on ordering them, which is kind of crap because I really wanted these. I think a lot of the other brands have really ugly seat covers. However, I rung around, I think, every ARB in like a 2-hour radius from where we live. And one store had a set, and they only found them because they went digging out the back for me, which was amazing. And the customer who had ordered these was supposed to pick them up in October last year. They'd been ordered by a dealer. So because it had been so long, they called the dealer, and that customer's car had been delayed. So they allowed me to buy the seats. So persistence does pay off sometimes. Otherwise we would have ended up with some other brand because we should be gone in 10 weeks. We didn't have that time to wait. So yeah, exciting times. Fingers crossed this van
gets here on time.
Gets here. But from all accounts, every time we talk to them, it's on time, and they've actually given us a delivery date, which is exciting. We're not sharing that with you right now though, but it should be within the next 10 weeks. Fingers crossed, because I'm sick of delays. This is the finished product. It was actually really easy to put on. It just Velcros into place. So we didn't even look at instructions. It's that straightforward.
Let's hope we got it right.
Yeah, Dion had to put these on though because that was really tough because it's the vinyl. It stuck a bit when we put it on, so Dion did that. And if you look around at the back, it also comes with a mat pocket, so you don't lose that. But see, it's all neat. It's just Velcro, so just make sure you pull it tight, Velcro it up, and all good. Okay, so driver's is on now, so we've pushed through this bit. Let's pull that through. It's really easy to put on actually, so pull it tight, and there's Velcro under this bit. So you literally just put it up and pull that down on top. And that's it.
We're done.
All done.
Well, for the back seat.
Well, we've got to do the back seat as well. Should add, we paid full retail price for these. We didn't get it from ARB. They were really good at finding us some, but we didn't get it any cheaper than anyone else. So. Nope. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So that's that. And now we do this.
We'll clean off the seat first before we go trying to put covers
It's like
on.
the car's lifting or something.
It's like another toddler with cars and toys.
All of the bits. Done. They are a bit loose because we've still got to sit in them. I might tighten them a bit as we go, but yeah, it looks really good. This one was a 2-person job and it's actually sitting a bit tighter, so we might have to readjust. But I should also add that these are Australian made, which is really great. And we did go the black because we just liked the colour better than the grey. They do come in black or grey, and I believe you can put special orders in for other colours. But yeah, and the reason we chose the 4ELEMENTS was because they just feel that little bit nicer than the plain canvas ones. So, but obviously it's up to you. If you go into your local ARB shop, they actually have little samples that you can feel to find out what material you like better. So yeah, all done.